want to become a social media marketer in 2025? Then this video is for you. Or maybe you are already into social media marketing and you are not getting the expected result. Then make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video you would have learned something that will take you from here to this very level, and I want you to just be here to the end. One thing you must know is that social media was never meant for marketing.
Are you serious?
It was never designed for marketing, because when it was created, it was actually created with the aim for people to actually connect, people to actually have fun, check up on your family, and that's all. But you know, we're humans and we keep creating things as time goes on, and so that's how we come about social media marketing. Do you understand? Yes. So you're welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Kingsley Emeka and I will be the one holding your hand. And just in case you're actually seeing this video on Facebook, don't forget to also follow us on Facebook and like this video. Also share it on your WhatsApp status or on your Facebook story. Somebody would learn a lot from it. And if you're seeing it on YouTube, as I think you should be part of this family by subscribing and turning on the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you each time we drop amazing videos just like this one you want to watch. Are we good?
Yes. Hell yes.
So you are welcome. Don't go anywhere. Relax and enjoy the video. Number one thing I want you to know is that social media is the new oil well. And the reason why I said so is because the highest money I have made at once that came in at one alert was coming from social media. I don't know what I would have been doing by now that would get me such amount of money. I'm telling you for a fact. I may not mention the amount, but it was actually huge. That's the highest alert I've received ever since I began working and staying alone for the past 2 years. Do you understand what I'm saying? So when I say it's an oil well, I'm trying to say that it is capable of taking care of you. It is capable of feeding you. In other words, money day for social media. The only thing you do not understand is that you may struggle while trying to do things on your own, but once you have people that will show you what to do, how to do it, what not to do, just like this video will be showing you, then you will be one of the people that will be standing tall on social media. And so number two is that social media is right now the new CV. Someone who wants to employ you for any job at all may not necessarily ask for your papers. The person can just go to your social media handle and check what you do on LinkedIn, on Facebook, or any other platform to be sure, because from those pages they can actually detect the kind of person that you are. So take your social media life seriously. Apart from making money from it, position yourself very well, and at the end of the day, people can actually know who you are through your social media content. Now, this is what you should know. Everybody must not be making money on social media. It is not by force. But for those of you who actually want to do something that will make money for you, I want to leave you with this. You must be selling something to actually make money online. It's either you're selling your skills like graphic design, video editing, writing, and so many of them, or you are selling tutorial like teaching. I teach and I get paid on the internet. Most of the times I teach, I get paid. I didn't leave my house. I didn't go to a classroom. I was just on social media teaching people, probably on Telegram or on Google Meet, and at the end of the day I get paid. That is how beautiful social media have become. And if you're one of the people that actually want to take it serious, you will get to that level where it will be paying you. But the first thing first is to learn how it works. Every social media platform has how the algorithm works. TikTok algorithm is not working the same way that Facebook algorithm works, not the same way that Twitter or X works. So you need to study these things, and that's where knowledge comes in. Don't just jump into anyone because you see people doing it. Anybody who is doing it has gone for the knowledge. All right? Yes, even this YouTube video you're seeing today, I actually went through a YouTube training before starting this content creation on YouTube. Do you understand? I hope we're good on that. So what is social media? Now I want to take you back to 2010 or 2009 thereabout. Back then we had something called 2Go. It is still in existence today, but a lot of you do not know 2Go. It is us who are the olden days people, you know now. We that are old, yeah. It is us that actually know what 2Go is. Back in the days when there was 2Go, we actually do not use 2Go for selling. All we do is to have fun. is to check up on friends and know who has the highest ranking on to go. And that is why it was created, for fun. But right now, people have been using the internet and social media to sell a lot of things on the internet, be it phone, anything at all, mention it. People are not using social media to sell it. Why? Because it is a place where people are gathered. And I used to say, where 2 or 3 are gathered, let there be selling. Let there be money. Let there be making of money. So anywhere 2, 3 or 4 people are gathered, the next thing is to find something and sell, because definitely there are people who need something and they are willing to pay for it. So what are you selling? Making money on social media, like I said earlier, you must be selling something to a good amount of people if you want to make the money. If you are able to sell something of 100 naira to 1 million people, that is 100 million naira. But how are you going to get those 1 million people that are actually going to trust you with their 100 naira? That is where we come into what we call content creation. Content creation is key when you want to do social media marketing. Any of you that are actually trying to go into social media marketing in 2025, you must be creating content. Content is king. Content is the life of the internet. If you're not creating content, forget about it. You're actually joking, because that is what keeps you on top. It keeps you showing that you are an authority and you know what you're doing. When you create content, it means you are actually doing what we call education marketing, because the more content you create, it shows that you have the strength or the knowledge or the capacity to actually teach people. Because as you're creating content, a time will come where you actually ask people to pay you money, right? So what will keep you and keep you on top as an authority is content creation. I may not dive into any other thing you need to do on social media before you actually start making money, since you are going into social media marketing. But you see, content creation, anybody in any niche at all must be creating content if they actually want to make money from social media marketing. So when it comes to social media marketing, a lot of things are at stake, but the most important is that you must be creating content. Content will help position you as an authority. It will help position you as somebody who knows what they are doing. Just imagine a doctor who is teaching people something for free and the doctor that is just being recommended. People always want to go for the doctor that is teaching people things for free, because they feel that that person knows a lot of the things that he's teaching. That is why he's teaching them. How many of you know Apuko Doctor? Now, if you are to choose between Apuko Doctor and another doctor that you don't really know, who are you going to choose? Is Apuko Doctor, because he has proven to know. He has proven to be an authority. He knows a lot about his field. And so when you are to choose between him and another doctor, you are going to choose him because he has been creating content in his niche. Right? Yes, that's because he knows that. So any of you, whatever you want to do in 2025 and you want to bring it to social media, you must be creating content. Let's assume data vendor. You must be creating content. Let's assume you are selling, even if it is chicken, you must be creating content. I have seen people sell dogs on the internet. I've seen people sell goats. People sell live chicken. This is almost Christmas, and you will see a lot of people start advertising their chicken. And this is live chicken that are not dead yet. People will advertise it, sell and make so much money from it. And that's because social media has a lot of audience, and that is why it is possible to do that. Now, the biggest market in West Africa is Onitsha Main Market. Onitsha Main Market has the seating capacity of 3 million people. It can accommodate 3 million people. But do you know how many people that are online on a daily basis in Nigeria? They are over 30-something million. I'm not talking of the West Africa, I'm talking of Nigeria. There are over 30-something million active daily. Imagine a place where you can actually reach millions of people with your product. That is social media, and I don't want you to joke with it. The next thing you must do as a social media marketer is called profile optimization. You must optimize your profile to look believable. People will actually buy you before they buy what you sell. So you have to position yourself. If you are a chef, look like a chef and position yourself. Put your location, put your contacts, how people can reach you in case you are not online. Put it all there. Let it be there. It will prove that you are legit and you're not going to scam them with their money. Put your phone number. Let your location be there. Don't be in America and you put Nigeria. No. If you're in Nigeria, put your location, put Nigeria, put everywhere that you are, so that people will be able to trust you and know you and like you. Because once they don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, nobody is going to buy anything from you. And that is the major thing content creation is going to do for you. It is going to do it in a way that people will know you, like you, and trust you. And once they do, they will be able to pay you. Do you understand? So whatever you are selling on social media, make sure you create content around that thing, and then you optimize your profile so that when people come to your profile, they don't have to be wondering what's this one doing. No, people have to come to your profile and immediately they come, they should see. If you're an entrepreneur, let them see something that says entrepreneur. Do you understand? Don't be an entrepreneur and you're putting other different things that doesn't connect to your niche. Put something that connects your needs. That is how you close more sales. That's how people will say, oh, he's an entrepreneur. Okay, let's see what he's got. And then when they are checking you out, content is what will speak for you. I hope you get it. So, dear you that is planning to go into social media marketing in 2025, did you learn anything? Please don't be stingy. Tell me in the comment section, because I really want to be encouraged to do more of this video for you. Like and also share with your friends. And I thank you for doing that. My name remains Kingsley Emeka, and I am called King of Value by most people who know me. Thank you for watching again. Have a good moment and see you next time.